Open Treaty was in recent news because the Russia has pulled out of this Open Sky Treaty, and there is a blame game going on between Russia and USA. US, Russia is blaming that after the withdrawal of US, there is a serious compromise in this treaty. Let's discuss about this treaty. The Treaty of Open Sky Treaty, it basically establishes a program of unarmed aerial surveillance flights over the entire territory of its participants. Now, treaty was designed to enhance the mutual understanding and confidence by giving all the participants, regardless of their size, a direct role in gathering information about military forces and the activities of concerns to them. Now, this treaty was came into force in 1st January year 2004 too. Now, USA had left this treaty and verified it in November of, by accusing the China of violating it. Now, the idea of allowing the countries to openly surveil each other is thought to prevent the misunderstanding, that is to assure a potential opponent that the one country is not about to go into war. For example, like in Iran, there is a huge doubt among other Western countries and neighboring countries that uh, uh, Iran is using its land to produce nuclear devices and other seriously damaging weapons. So, with this treaty, the other countries can surveil over the territories of Iran, and they will get ensured that the Iran is not doing any serious threat to them. Now, it also provides a mutual accountability for the countries to follow through on treaty of promise, and thus it builds up confidence between the countries. Now, Open Sky is one of the most wide-ranging international efforts to the date, and it promotes an openness and transparency of military forces and the activities.